Hey everyone, Mr. Fitzpatrick here. I'm going to be talking a little bit here in this quick video about multiplying and dividing fractions. As you see on my screen here, you'll see the two fractions, 3 over 4 and 7 over 8. So we're going to multiply 3 over 4 times 7 over 8. When it comes to multiplying is actually probably the easiest of all four of the orders of operations there of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Simply put, when you multiply two fractions, you're just multiplying straight across. So with that being said, 3 times 7 is 21, 4 times 8 is 32, and then from there you have to determine whether or not you have to reduce that fraction or not to put it into its simplest form. And that's where we would then look at the number 21 and say, well, what factors of 21 can evenly go into 32? Well, what's your factors of 21? Excluding 1. Factors of 21 are 1, 2, looks like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 21. If I missed any there, that's on me, but I believe those are the three main factors of 21 there that can go evenly into it. The question is can any of these factors go into 32 evenly? And you have to think to yourself, can 32 be divided by 3 evenly? The answer on that is no. Can 32 be divided by 7 evenly? The answer on that is no. Can 32 be divided by 21 evenly? The answer on that is no. So to answer your question, 3 over 4 times 7 over 8 equals 21 over 32. Now, with that being said, let me erase my screen here. We're going to talk now about dividing fractions. So if you had 2/3 divided by, let's say, 5 over 7, the first thing you have to do, and this is going to sound kind of simple, but in this instance, you're going to take what we call the reciprocal of that second fraction. So when you're dividing two fractions, you change it now to multiplying, and then you multiply by the reciprocal of that second fraction. So instead of 5 over 7, it's 7 over 5. From there, just like how we were doing before, 2 times 7 is 14, and 3 times 5 is 15. And the question again comes, can we reduce that fraction anymore? Well, I can tell you right now the answer is no, because your factors of 14 are 1, 2, looks like 7 and 14. Can any of these factors go into 15 evenly other than 1? The answer on that is no. So your answer, 2/3, times, let me rewind there, 2/3 divided by 5 over 7, your answer is 14 over 15. I hope that helps a little bit. I'll have this uploaded onto our YouTube channel. Feel free to comment into the Math Google Classrooms as well. I will upload something about adding and subtracting fractions as well. Hope this helps a little bit. Any questions, reach out. Take care. Thanks.